Hey, this is Matt Bertram here. I'm here to answer your questions today. Now let's get started. What do you want to know about internet marketing? SEO is a really broad topic, so you can really break SEO into a couple different categories. Now there's over 200 ranking components that Google looks at, but what I can tell you is let's kind of break SEO into three major components. There's the technical aspect of it, speeding up the page, some of the things on the back end, the domain server, all that sort of stuff. There's the on-page SEO, which is extremely important. You can actually get a site to rank, depending on the competitiveness, by just on-page efforts, something called siloing with anchor text, and then off-page SEO. And off-page SEO is what kind of gets all the hype. That's where the black hat and the white hat and all the disagreement comes in. Really it comes down to links, okay? And that's really how Google built its algorithm, is based upon links. And a link is like a vote for you on the internet. It's a lot like a review or a testimonial, and they're super important. Now, with off-page SEO, there's just so many different ways to go. I would ask you to just reach out to me if you want to know more details. Link building is the process of acquiring links online. A link online is like a vote for you in your direction. And so there's an active process called outreach, where you are building relationships with people online and getting them to link back to you, or you get a backlink, a vote for you. It's a lot like online PR. Links are actually links in Google's eyes. Now, depending on the domain authority of each link is where the difference comes in, but on-page links are links from one page or blog on your website to another. There's a strategy out there called siloing, where you can combine or point the link juice in a direction to get some benefit. Off-page link building is where you are reaching out through active outreach to people in the space that are relevant to your topics and getting them to link back to you. Domain authority is how authoritative is your link viewed online. There's a number of different metrics that go into that. Now it's separated into domain authority and page authority. A while back, the only way into a website was through the homepage. Now each individual page has its own ranking ability, and it has its own trust, and it has its own relevance. And so in those Google algorithms, they try to decide for the search that you're searching for in the long tail phrases, what page do they want to show you? And that is what page authority is. Categories absolutely help SEO. It helps reorganize the data. So the Google bot understands its site structures, extremely important. Also, from the navigation bar, the top line categories carry the most weight, and as you subcategorize down, they lose SEO juice. A lot of websites out there do not utilize breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are like Hansel and Gretel. You're trying to follow where you've been to and where you want to go. It lets someone know where they've been on the site and where they are in the site structure. One of the key advantages for SEO is it creates keyword-rich topics. If you name your categories words you want to rank for, that show up on the page in a non-spammy way. A website and a landing page are very different. They have different purposes and different goals, but you are seeing a trend of a website being multiple landing pages wrapped with an About Us page and contact page on how people are utilizing the internet today, moving from the digital brochure to the more active engagement and buying online. It really depends on your process, but both are very valuable. So the #1 ranking factor in Google is quality content. Google is trying to satisfy the user search, and they're looking for the most relevant and trustworthy results. So if you just focus on creating quality content for your users, you're going to be in good shape. Well, you can check me out on social media. It's Matt Bertram Live. You can check out our podcast if you want to get into more detail about technical SEO. It's called The Unknown Secrets of Internet Marketing. It's on all major platforms. It's ranked #1 on iTunes right now for the small business and internet marketing section. If you need more on personal branding, I would encourage you to check out this book. It's a step-by-step process to building your brand online. Again, my name is Matt Bertram with eWeb Results. Thanks for your time.